You ain't gonna believe what I just found in this dumpster.
This might be the coolest fucking thing I've found in a really long time.
I wasn't even about to record this, but I had to go back and get my camera because check this shit out. Look at this motherfucker. Tell me that is not cool as fuck. That's going home and going right on my fucking wall. I ain't even selling this. I'm keeping this bad boy. This is so fucking sweet. I don't want to damage it coming out of the dumpster. This is so fucking cool. I swear, dude, some of the shit you find dumpster diving.
I'm not gonna lie, I started panicking a little bit when I looked into the note on the back of the painting. Aristotle contemplating the bust of Homer. Most people are probably familiar with the name Rembrandt. Down here, it straight up says, the Metropolitan Museum of Art. Purchased with special funds and gifts of Friends of the Museum 1961. There's no way this is an original though. There's just a fucking way. It's not gonna be in the dumpster, right?
I don't know jack shit about paintings or art, so let me go ahead and do a little research real quick.
The Metropolitan Museum of Art.
What? This obviously isn't a very expensive piece then if it's in the fucking dumpster.
In 1961, the Metropolitan Museum paid a staggering $2.3 million to obtain a late work by Rembrandt van Rijn.
What?
The Metropolitan Museum in 1961.
Purchased with special funds 1961. Hold on, we gotta look into this a little bit. God, okay, no, my frame is nowhere near as fancy and elegant as that one. For a second there, I thought I found some dumped loot from an art heist.
And before I get attacked in the comment section, let me just say that I've never claimed to be an art history major, so please don't call me out in every little dumb thing I say in this video. I have no idea what the fuck I'm talking about. I am nothing more than a dumpster diving, uncultured swine.
It would probably still end up going on my wall.
So after doing a little more research, I found out there were a lot of replicas made in the 1960s.
And the crazy part is I'm finding these replicas posted on eBay for an upwards of 500 bucks.
One of the coolest fucking things I've ever found dumpster diving. Hands down.